A very good morning, children. Let us continue with lesson 9. किसने पकाई किसने खाई. So open book page number 47. Children, till now we saw that there is an old woman where she is cooking a chapati, and the chapati is in round in shape. It is small and it is thick. And one day what happens? She prepares the chapati and gives to the old man, and suddenly the chapati jumps out from the plate and starts running. So till here we saw. So let's see what happened to this chapati when he jumped from the plate and ran away. Understand? So let's continue the lesson, children. गली का जबरू कुत्ता, गली का जबरू कुत्ता उसे देखते ही चिल्लाया. So now what they saying? गली का जबरू कुत्ता. जबरू कुत्ता means the street dog. Okay, जबरू कुत्ता means the street dog or the name of the dog. उसे देखते ही चिल्लाया. Whom did he see? He saw the chapati and started shouting. Understand? वाह क्या बढ़िया रोटी है. Now the dog is saying, he is appreciating. वाह means appreciating. क्या बढ़िया रोटी है. So what a beautiful chapati it is. रोटी रुक जा, मैं तुझे खाऊंगा. Now this dog is saying to the chapati, please stop, I will eat now. रोटी रुक जा means stop chapati, मैं तुझे खाऊंगा. I will come and eat you. Next, रोटी जोर से हंसी और बोली. Now what is happened here? रोटी जोर से हंसी. जोर से हंसी means the roti loudly. Hasi means she laughed. Okay, so she laughed very loudly and said, or boli means and said, बुढ़िया ने पकाया, बूढ़े को बुलाया, मुझको खा ना पाया, तू कैसे खाएगा. Now this roti is telling to the dog, बुढ़िया ने पकाया. Who prepared it? The old woman. She cooked the chapati. बूढ़े को बुलाया. She called the old man for serving the chapati. But what happened? मुझको खा ना पाया. The roti is saying he couldn't eat me. तू कैसे खाएगा? How will you eat me? When so many things has happened, the old woman cooked. She called the old man, and then they couldn't eat me. Then how can you eat dog? So this chapati is proudly saying that you cannot eat me. Next, roti लुढ़कती. रोटी लुढ़कती पुढ़कती गांव से बाहर पहुंच गई. So रोटी लुढ़कती पुढ़कती means, लुढ़कती means rolling. लुढ़कती means rolling. पुढ़कती means moving. Okay. Okay. So लुढ़कती means rolling and moving. गांव से बाहर पहुंच गई means she reached outside the village. बाहर means she reached the outside of what? गांव से बाहर. So village, the border of the village she reached. एक बालू शहद की तलाश में घूमता फिर रहा था. Now what happened? When this roti reached the village or the end of the village, what did she saw? She saw an bear. एक बालू means a bear. शहद की तलाश. शहद की तलाश means, शहद means honey. शहद means honey. Talash means search. So this balu, he was in search of honey. घूमता फिर रहा था. He was searching of honey and he was going around. Gumta means he was going around and he is searching. उसने रोटी देखी तो. उसने रोटी देखी तो. So when this Balu saw the chapati, then what happened? मुंह में पानी आ गया. So पानी आ गया means the Balu's mouth was watering after seeing whom? The chapati. So after seeing chapati, the bear's mouth was watering because it was so tasty and delicious. वह बागा रोटी के पीछे. Who ran? Baga means ran. Who ran now? The Balu started running behind the chapati. Understand? पीछे means behind. पीछे means behind the chapati. बोला रुक जा, मैं तुझे खाऊंगा. Now this bear is saying stop. रुक जा means you stop, मैं तुझे खाऊंगा. I will eat you. Understand? लुढ़कती रोटी हंसी और बोली. Now this rolling chapati is saying that, or she is laughing and she is saying, बुढ़िया ने पकाया, बूढ़े को बुलाया, मुझको खाना पाया. कुत्ते ने बुलाया, मुझको पकड़ ना पाया, तू कैसे खाएगा. Again this chapati, she is proudly, she is telling to this bear that बुढ़िया ने पकाया. The old woman, she cooked me. Then she called the old man, but they couldn't eat me. Again the dog called me. Even the dog could not catch me. How can you eat me? Understand? Next, आगे आगे रोटी और पीछे पीछे बालो. Now the chapati is moving front and the bear is following behind. मोटा बालू कुछ देर भागा और थक गया. Now this bear is how he is? He is very fat, right? He is very fat, so he could not run like chapati, so he is tired now. थक गया means tired. Tired. So Baga means you all know ran. So now this mota means a fat person. So this fat Balu for some time, kuch der means for some time he ran and thak gaya. He is tired now. बैठते हुए वह बोला, यह रोटी है मोटी और छोटी, मैं तो शहद खाऊंगा. Now what is saying? बैठते हुए means while sitting he is saying, वह बोला means he is saying, यह रोटी है मोटी और छोटी. This chapati is very fat and very small, so I will eat only honey. मैं तो शहद खाऊंगा. Understood, children? So I want everyone to read this lesson again and record the voice and send it to me. The remaining we'll see in the next class.